Have you ever noticed how yawning is just contagious? You see someone yawn, and suddenly you're yawning too, even if you're not tired at all. Maybe you've already started to yawn just by watching this video. But why do we actually yawn? Is it just about being sleepy, or is there something more mysterious behind this everyday action? Today, we're exploring the surprising science of yawning, what it is, why it happens, and what it reveals about our brains and bodies. Yawning is one of those things we all do, but hardly ever think about. It's a big, deep breath. Your mouth opens wide, your eyes might water, you stretch your face and jaw muscles, and sometimes even your arms and body want to join in. Yawning can feel relaxing, but did you know almost every vertebrate animal also yawns? That's right, even birds and fish yawn. It's a reflex, hardwired into our biology, and it happens to everyone from babies to grandparents. For decades, scientists thought yawning was all about breathing. When your blood needs more oxygen, you take a deep breath, a yawn, to fill up your lungs and get rid of extra carbon dioxide. It sounds logical, right? But here's the catch. Experiments show that people still yawn even when they're in a room full of fresh, oxygen-rich air. And sometimes, even if you hold your breath or breathe deeply, it doesn't stop a yawn from sneaking up on you. So while breathing is part of it, it can't be the only reason we yawn. One of the most interesting modern ideas is called the brain cooling theory. Imagine your brain as a powerful computer. It works best when it's not overheating. When you yawn, you stretch your jaw, move your face muscles, and take in a big gulp of air. This airflow, along with the movement, helps cool down the blood in your head and lowers the brain's temperature. Scientists have measured tiny drops in brain temperature after yawning. So, when you're tired, bored, or have been focusing for a long time, your brain might be asking for a quick cool down. Yawning could be your body's natural air conditioning system, helping your mind stay sharp and alert. But why does yawning spread from person to person? If you're with a group, one person yawns, and suddenly it travels like a wave. This isn't just a human thing. Chimpanzees, dogs, and even some birds can catch yawns from each other or their owners. Scientists think it's about empathy. Our brains are wired to mirror the feelings and actions of those around us. If you're close to someone, you're even more likely to yawn when they do. Some researchers believe this helps strengthen social bonds and group connection. So next time you yawn at work or with friends, remember, it might just be your brain saying, I feel you. Did you know that babies start yawning long before they're even born? Doctors have spotted fetuses yawning on ultrasound scans. Yawning is found across nearly all vertebrate animals, from mammals like lions and elephants, to birds, reptiles, and even some fish. Sometimes, animals yawn as a way to communicate. Lions in a pride might yawn together to show it's time to rest, and wolves may yawn to reduce tension in their group. In humans, yawning can signal everything from tiredness to boredom to even empathy and emotional stress. That's a lot of meaning from such a simple action. Despite what most people think, yawning isn't just about being tired or bored. People yawn when they're nervous, excited, or even just to stretch their jaw and face muscles after sitting still for a long time. And did you know not everyone catches a yawn? About half of people are highly sensitive to contagious yawning, while others barely react at all. Next time you yawn, ask yourself, is it sleepiness, empathy, or maybe just your brain cooling off? So, the next time you feel a yawn coming on, remember, it's much more than just being tired. Yawning helps cool your brain, keeps your mind alert, and can even help you feel connected to the people around you. How many times did you yawn during this video? Let us know in the comments. And if you want to keep learning about the fascinating science of everyday life, don't forget to subscribe and join our journey on Quick Curiopedia.